Want to change your profile picture in Hamster Kombat 2024 but not sure how? I'm Simran from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to update your profile picture in Hamster Kombat. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Navigate to the Hamster Kombat chat and tap on the play button at the bottom left corner to enter the game. Next, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Here, you will see various profile options. Choose the one you like and it will become your new profile picture. And that's how you change your profile picture in Hamster Kombat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.